A rare opportunity to own a piece of history, over 11 acres, a farmhouse, and a barn with original timber. Set on a scenic landscape in New Hampshire, this circa 1800 New England farmhouse offers character, charm, and the chance to create something truly special. For years to come. The remaining acreage is home to the original farmhouse, once complemented by gardens, flowers, and pasture land. Inside, the home features 4 bedrooms, including 2 on the main level and 2 upstairs, offering a flexible layout for a variety of living arrangements. A hidden rear staircase adds a unique and charming historic detail. The interior reflects classic New England craftsmanship, with wide pine floors, exposed wooden beams, and built-in cabinetry found throughout. A traditional parlor and formal dining room provide inviting spaces for gathering, while the kitchen, complete with an antique wood-fired stove, brings warmth and authenticity to the home. One of the standout features is the spacious family room, originally part of the property's carriage house, offering additional living space filled with character. Outside, the impressive 2-story horse barn showcases original hand-hewn timbers, making it ideal for storage, livestock, or creative use. While the home does require updating, it presents an incredible opportunity to restore and personalize a historic property. Whether you envision a working homestead, a peaceful retreat, or a thoughtfully restored farmhouse, this property offers the space, history, and setting to bring your vision to life.